Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, let us continue with the next part of the lesson, crop production and management. In the previous video, we had studied about the second agricultural practice, that is sowing. We had also learned about the tools that are used for sowing, that is traditional tool and the modern seed drill. In today's video, let us study about the third agricultural practice, that is adding manure and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal wastes. Continuous cultivation of crops in all the seasons on the same land makes the soil poor in nutrients. Therefore, farmers have to add manure to the fields to improve the quality of the soil. Adding manure to the soil increases the number of friendly microbes. It helps to improve the texture of the soil by enhancing water holding capacity and by making soil porous for exchange of gases. Adding manure to the soil replenishes the nutrients of the soil. Another method of replenishing the soil with nutrients is through crop rotation. The technique of growing different crops every year on the same land so as to maintain or to increase the fertility of soil is called as crop rotation. For example, in the first year, the farmer may grow leguminous plants such as beans, peas, potatoes, etc. Then in the second year, the farmer may grow root plants such as carrots, beetroots, onions, etc. Then in the third year, he may grow fruits such as pumpkins, cucumbers, bell peppers, etc. Then finally, in the fourth year, he may grow green leafy vegetables such as cabbage, spinach, maize, etc. After this, the farmer may repeat the 4-year cycle in order to increase the nutrients in the soil. Since the leguminous plants grown in the first year provides a lot of nitrogen to the soil, we can say that crop rotation helps to replenish the soil with nitrogen. Remember, even though bell peppers and cucumbers are generally called as vegetables, but scientifically they are fruits because they have got seeds inside them. Now let us perform a small activity. Take some mung seeds and germinate them. Select 3 equal sized seedlings. Take 3 pots of equal size and mark A, B and C. In pot A, do not mix anything with the soil. In pot B, mix the same amount of soil with manure. And in pot C, mix the same amount of soil with urea. Now pour the same amount of water to all the plants. After this, plant the seedlings in all them. Now keep them in a safe place and water them daily. After 7 to 10 days, observe the growth of the plant in each pot. You can see that the plant in pot C with the urea has grown better when compared to the plant in pot B, which is having manure, and the plant in the pot A has not shown better growth. Do you know the reason for the plant in pot C to show better growth? It is because of the use of chemical fertilizer, that is urea. The inorganic substance full of nutrients prepared in factories is called as fertilizer. For example, urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK, etc. Even though the fertilizers help in better yield of crops, But excessive use of the fertilizers makes the soil less fertile and also causes water pollution. Now let us take a quick look at summary points. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal wastes. Adding manure to the soil increases the number of friendly microbes. Adding manure to the soil replenishes the nutrients of the soil. Crop rotation helps to replenish the soil with nitrogen. The inorganic substance full of nutrients prepared in factories is called as fertilizer. Fertilizers help in better yield of crops. Thank you. Keep watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon